With AI, the right tool, and the right prompts, you can create unlimited amount of songs to promote your business. I'm Larry Burton Jr., co-founder of Beyond Creation, where we help non-tech solopreneurs over 40 build their online brand using systems, content, and AI. Now here's a sneak peek on how I'm using custom AI for my brand, Beyond Creation. Check this out.
Beyond Creation, helping non-tech business owners over 40
build their online brand.
Using systems, content, and AI. Beyond Creation. Beyond Creation. Beyond Creation. We came to break confusion. We came to break overthinking. We came to break that fear of showing up online. We came for the business owner, still depending on referrals. We came for the one still saying, I need a website. Beyond Creations, helping non-tech business owners over 40 build their online brand.
Beyond Creation, helping non-tech business owners over 40 build their online brand. Use the systems, content, and AI.
Beyond Creations, Beyond Creations, we came to break confusion. We came to break overthinking. We came to break that fear of showing up online. We came for the business owner, still depending on referrals.
If you're ready to incorporate AI music in your business, click on the link below and let's set up a consultation and let's strategize how you can now incorporate custom AI music for your business, non-tech solopreneurs over 40.
Helping non-tech business owners over